Alright, no internet but still need your files? Yeah, that's where offline mode helps. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use offline mode in Google Drive so you can work anytime, anywhere. First, offline mode works best in Google Chrome, so make sure you're using it. Now, go to Google Drive, click the gear icon, then open Settings. Turn on offline to enable access without internet. If prompted, install the offline extension. This allows docs, sheets, and slides to work offline. Right-click on important files and enable available offline. This downloads them to your device. Now, even without internet, you can open and edit these files directly. Once you reconnect to the internet, all your changes will sync automatically. On your phone, you can also mark files as available offline in the Drive app. Keep an eye on storage. Offline files take up space on your device. If you don't need offline mode anymore, you can turn it off anytime in Settings. And yeah, that's how you use Google Drive offline mode. Super helpful when you're on the go, or just without internet.